Will you believe me if I tell you that your desire is already yours? People believe that the 3D world we live in is the only reality, and they see their desires have not been manifested in the 3D world. In that case, most of them will not believe me if I tell them their desires are already theirs. But Neville Goddard said that no matter what your desire is, no matter who you are, your desire is already yours. It has been manifested. You just have to believe that it has been manifested. Believing in things that don't exist seems almost impossible, but it is the only way to manifest even those things that are apparently impossible to manifest. In today's video, I will explain to you how you can convince yourself that your desire has been manifested while it has not been manifested. You know, believing that your desire has been manifested is the biggest piece of the puzzle, so it's important for you to learn to convince your mind of the existence of things that don't exist in the 3D world. That's why I would recommend all of you watch this video till the end so that you can understand the strategy and implement it correctly. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, I would like to ask you to subscribe to this channel because we teach you to manifest your desires through our videos. Now let's begin. Well, if you don't believe that your desire has been manifested already, you don't manifest it. You have to believe that it's already yours. You just need to be prepared to get what you want. Believing that what we want, we have already gotten in the way of manifesting anything. This is the main part of the puzzle. If you fail in this step, all of your efforts will bear no fruit at all. And if you are successful in doing so, nothing can stop you from manifesting what you desire. And to teach you to convince your mind, I and other different law of assumption experts share different techniques and ways. You know, you aren't just a human being made up of some bones and flesh. You have got a mind and a sense. Your mind helps you to decide what you have got to do, and your senses help you to do what you want to do. So that is the reason Neville Goddard said that we are God, because we decided on everything. Our mind gives us different ideas and choices. We pick up one and experience the results based on the choices that we make. We are the operant power. No one can impose things on us, and if even somebody imposes something on us, it is a result of our own choices. We allow some people to come closer to us in our lives, and we authorize them to harm or benefit us. So in fact, nobody and nothing can harm you in any way. Our own decisions cause trouble for us or make our lives better. This world in which you live is a mirror, not a reality, because it is a result of your thoughts, imagination, actions, or decisions. And let's say the whole world is created by us. What's happening in this world, how does it work, and what does it look like? It is all decided by us. We can give a different shape to the whole world. We can change its look, and you know we are able to change. We are the operant power. You operate the world. The world doesn't operate you. We run this world. The world doesn't run us. The world is there. It doesn't go anywhere. It has got no power. It has no sense of its own. So we impact the world. We affect the world and the things that are part of it. What you used to believe to be so real is now real in your life. What you used to believe to be real is now real because you manifested over time what you assumed in your past. Your thoughts have shaped your reality. Your imagination has created the things around you, and now you are experiencing them. You are constantly manifesting your life according to your thoughts, your assumptions, and beliefs. And if you are not satisfied with what you have in your life, let's say you aren't happy with who you are, you have the option to make a change. You have the choice to do things as you want to do them. Nothing can force you to do something that you don't want to do. You are the creator. Only you can decide what's going to happen next in your life. Let me now include a Neville Goddard quote in our discussion. He says, "If you will assume your desire and live there as though it were true, no power on earth can stop it from becoming a fact." Your desire becomes reality the moment you imagine it for the first time, and it becomes manifested. See how easy it is to manifest anything? Just think and imagine, and it's created. It becomes reality whenever you imagine it. It first gets created in your mind and thoughts. Now you just need to put in the work to manifest it in the 3D world in which we all live. A question that most people ask is why you have so many things in your life that you don't want to have. Why do you experience those things that you don't want to experience? If you manifest with your imagination and consciousness, then why do you manifest the things that you don't want to manifest? Now this is really a genuine question that must be answered. You see, we always keep on thinking. We never stop thinking, and most people think about unnecessary things. They don't want to think about them, but they still think, and it's how unnecessary things become part of your life. The things you don't want to see in your life become part of your reality. You have been manifesting your life the way before you knew about the law of assumptions, and you manifested it unintentionally. In most cases, people manifest unintentionally because only a fraction of people know how their imagination affects their lives. How do our thoughts shape our reality? Many people don't realize that our lives are controlled by our thoughts. You have the unnecessary things that you have right now in your life because you imagine them unknowingly. You didn't ask for them consciously, but you asked for them unconsciously based on the beliefs that were put in your subconscious mind since your infancy. And your subconscious mind, being impartial, as Neville Goddard said, whatever you've asked for unwilling was yours as well. You are the operant force, thus these ideas have no choice but to manifest in your life. If you unconsciously learned as a child that you don't deserve to be loved, that there is no such thing as a healthy relationship, or that it's difficult to manifest money, you will manifest those things if you truly believe they are true, and unless you significantly change these beliefs, that is what you will manifest. The law is the law, and it applies equally to both situations, whether you wish to experience them or not. There isn't a bad guy in the sky who determines whether you deserve what you want or not. The moment you realize this is true, you can have it. Simply said, you were taught to be aware of and concentrate on the unwanted up until this point, so by default, this is what you have. Neville Goddard said, "All you could possibly need or desire is already yours. Call your desires into being by imagining and feeling your wishes fulfilled. Your desire is divine in origin, and it's the law that it is yours and you have manifested it. You wouldn't have the desire in the first place if you couldn't have or achieve such a desire. So now, if you want to manifest a person in your life or anything else, you need to know for once and for all that it is already yours. The only things that prevent you from becoming who you want to be or from manifesting what you want to manifest are your ego, your mind, and your human self. Your logical mind has been programmed to believe and think the opposite because your whole life you thought in that direction and you lied to yourself. Nobody taught us or told us that we were God. We have power, we are authorized, and we can make changes. Nobody taught us that we were the creators. We were told that this world is a place of hardships and difficulties. Since we were born, the world has been portrayed to us as a place of problems and negative things. On the other hand, if we were taught that this world is a beautiful place, if something appears to be true, it will be true, and it is easy to manifest anything just by making assumptions, then we would have a different life. Then the entire place would be a different place. No wonder that with such heady beliefs hanging over our heads since we came into this world, we have created a life that hasn't been very easy on us. Now when you have discovered the truth, you need to leave behind all the beliefs that you have in your mind and replace them with new ones. Leave the beliefs of the past and have new ones, and let them manifest a new and desired life for you. Let the past go and step into the future. Your limiting beliefs have ruined your life, and they are still making life worse for you. You are manifesting the bad things in your life because of your bad beliefs. So now you need to change your beliefs. You need to change the way you think about and imagine things. You believed your entire life that you were a powerless and defenseless human being, and that you couldn't be who you should be or have what you needed. You are the God of your reality, and you have created this life for you. You did the thing, and you are now experiencing the results. Whatever is happening in your life now is because of your own imagination and actions. All you had to do was assume that it was, and it was, because even though you see your body, you don't actually have a body. You are not your thoughts. You are not even your mind. You are God. You are aware. And you create everything with your thoughts and imagination. Assume and believe that it has happened and that it will be. You don't need to visualize or say any affirmations. You just need to think. What you think becomes your reality. Don't doubt your desires no matter what they are. If you can think of it, you can get it. If you can imagine it, you can manifest it. You may achieve anything you want in life, including good health, financial success, travel, migration to a different country, and marriage to the person you choose. Whatever you think becomes yours. If it wasn't yours, you wouldn't have the desire. So don't believe what you have been taught. This world and everything that it contains is yours. Nothing is out of your reach, and you are more powerful than you think. There is nothing to stop you. You have been told that you are powerless and you can't manifest your desires, and sadly, you believe that, and now you are living a life that you actually don't deserve. If you have the ability to imagine a particular thing, you have the power to manifest that thing as well. So guys, that's all about convincing yourself that your desire is already yours and you have already manifested this. Assuming and believing this will assist you in achieving your desired state. I hope I was able to deliver a good analysis of this quote by Neville Goddard. And of course, this doesn't mean we agree with every single thing he said or believed in, because in the end, everyone will form his or her own opinion and that is why we are analyzing and discussing his ideas and methods to fully understand his approach and general ideas, as he was a great teacher and inspired millions of people around the world. If you want to share your opinion, comment down below this video. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to it and press the bell icon for more interesting, informative, and helpful videos on manifestation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.